Hi, do you want to make 2024 a great year? If it's yes, then keep watching. Number one, are you fed up of people talking about the law of attraction, manifestation, visualization, and all sorts? You feel frustrated that you don't have enough time. There are a lot of things to do. Number three, is success playing hide and seek with you? No matter how much you try, it seems that you can't be successful. I'm here to help you. Now you may ask, who are you? Well, I'm Ajay, and for the last 23 years, I have helped over 100,000 people in achieving their life's purpose and goals. You'll find more about me in the description, or you can Google my name, ajaygomes.com. Anyway, it's not about me, it's about you. So, how do you deal with the three challenges? Well, you do that with a magic mantra that has three ingredients. Number one, power or energy or Shakti. Number two, focus or attention, concentration. And number three, goal or target or laksh. Let's dive a little deeper. Number one, power, that is raising your energy level, your physiology and physical environment. For practice, number one, wake up early as possible between 4 and 6 a.m. Put on some energetic songs. There are plenty on YouTube. Pick any and dance to it and mentally see your goal getting fulfilled and celebrate it with your body. Jump, dance, swing. Number two, spend 30 to 60 minutes in physical exercise. Go to gym if possible. It can be anything that gets your body moving and heart beating faster. Number three, make yourself an energy drink with fruits or vegetables. Avoid normal salt or sugar. Number two, attention or concentration or focus. For practice, get a good headphone and put on epic movie music. Make work blocks or schedule. Use an app or make your own. I have a simple Excel sheet that is used by many. I'll share if you ask for it. Use 40 to 50 minutes block with 5-minute break in between. Break down big, overwhelming things into small. This is where the magic happens. Then create your flow zone, your deep work moments. Kill time vampires, interruptions. Number three, target, laksh or goal. This is what will get you up early in the morning and help you keep going. However, what do you really want to achieve? What is your ultimate goal? Identify and write them down. Then attach an emotional reason for your goal. Here's the secret that most people miss. There you have it. This will make you unstoppable. It's a pattern. I have combined everything in threes. It's the power of three. It has a scientific, mathematical, and spiritual significance. I'll go deep into practicality when I do the workshop. So, introducing the tri-brand mantra of ultimate success and fulfillment. A workshop you can join. It's on 16th and 17th of December 2023 from morning 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. on both the days, priced at $499. The link is given below with all the details. Read through the description and instructions. I know many will feel it's too early, that on a weekend. You might feel frustrated thinking you already knew all this anyway. You are right. There isn't a secret. However, more than 90% people don't follow it. They give up half the way. Well, this is your opportunity to open free and fly high in your journey to a limitless life. As the wise men say, luck is when opportunity meets preparation and action. Therefore, if you want to be lucky in 2024, sign up for the workshop and prepare yourself to take action and be lucky. Thank you.